Hey guys, we are going to do our foundation. So I want you to go ahead and I want you to get your whiteboard that you have at home, your marker, and your eraser. Make sure you are sitting at a table, okay? You can also be sitting on the ground with maybe a hard book and then putting your page protector board on top of it, okay? All right. So let's go ahead and let's get started, okay? Everybody say E, ed, eh. Okay. R, rat, er. Okay, I'm going to say R again. I want you to say the sound R, E, ah. All right. So go ahead and get your whiteboards out, and we are going to write some letters, okay? So let's start with E, okay? The first time we do it, I just want you to watch me, and then the next time you can do it with me, okay? So E, we are actually going to start in the middle of the plane line and the grass line. We're going to start in the middle right here, and we are going to go out, and then we're going to curve around back up to the plane line and curve down towards the grass line and stop. Everybody say E, ed, eh. Let's do one more together and then you'll do one on your own. We're going to start in between the plane line and the grass line. Start at the middle, we're going to go out. We're going to come up to the plane line, back down to the grass line, and curve it at the grass line. Okay, go ahead and make one on your own. E, ed, eh. Remember to start in the middle between the plane line and grass line, go out, come back up to the plane line, curve it around, and back down to the grass line. When you have 3 E's on your board, you may erase it. Everybody say E, ed, eh. Now we are going to do R, rat, er. Okay? And we are doing lowercase. We did a lowercase e, now we're going to do a lowercase r. We are going to start at the plane line. Everybody just watch the first time. Start at the plane line. We're going to go down to the grass line. We're going to trace back up to the plane line and make a curve right on the plane line. Sorry, that's kind of messy. I'll do another one. Start at the plane line, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, make a curve on the plane line. Say R, rat, er. Go ahead and make a third one on your own. Start at the plane line, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, make a curve on the plane line. R, rat, er. When you have 3 R's on your board, you may erase. Okay, let's go over these one more time. E, ed, eh. R, rat, er. Okay, now I'm going to hold up a card and you're going to say it on your own, okay? E, ed, eh. Say it on your own. Now say R, rat, er. Awesome. Okay, guys, that is our foundations lesson today. I hope you had fun.